You want to earn honest money online with Honeygain? You're in the right video. By watching this video until the end, you'll start earning passive income from this program, and if needed, you can cover other expenses with it. Additionally, you'll learn how to quickly withdraw $20, just like I did. The great thing about Honeygain is that you can earn money without doing anything, just by keeping your internet connection active. If Honeygain isn't installed on your phone but you want to earn money, let's check out my channel's video to see how to install it without delay. You should not skip this part because you might miss out on earning money. Also, you can find a $3 registration coupon in the video's comments and description sections. Yes, friends, you can also install Honeygain on your phone and start earning money this way. However, there is a common mistake that many people make. They install the app, use it for 1-2 days, and then remove it from their devices. If you do this, of course, you won't earn any money. Continuity is one of the most important factors in any job.